Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Disconnect the dashboard wiring harness terminal. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 2 screws that fix the dashboard assembly. Remove the dashboard assembly. Remove the rubber plug. Use a 5mm hex key to remove the stem cap. Remove the handlebars. Use tweezers to remove the stem rubber plug. Use a 6mm hex key to loosen the screw in the middle of the stem. Remove the stem. Slowly remove the headset protector cover. Slowly install the headset protector cover. Insert the stem into the front fork. Slowly rotate and put the protective cover down. Make sure the safety line is not exposed. Adjust it to the proper position. First, Creel tighten the middle screw. Install the handlebar with the scale marked facing forward. Align the arrows on the stem caps on both sides with the scale marks, and make sure the scale marks are fully exposed. First, Creel tighten the 4 screws in a crisscross pattern. Tighten the 4 screws in the order shown in the video. Adjust the handlebar to a straight position, then tighten the middle screw. Reinstall the stem rubber plug. Install the stem cable rubber plug with the flat side facing down. Thread the dashboard wires through the rubber plug, and then install the dashboard. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Align the raised part with the notch and insert the terminal. Install the battery.